Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be firing my AccuCraft Ruby. First we're going to take that off and this off. And we're going to unscrew this. This is called a Goodall valve, so you can add water while it's running. But first we're going to take our distilled water, fill the boiler until it comes out. Okay, came out a little bit. Now we're going to take one of these, take one full syringe of these out of the boiler. Okay, we have that much out of the boiler. Now we can put that to the side. Now we put the Goodall valve back on, and when you screw it down, don't do it too tightly but firm. Then we're going to put the steam dome back on. Under this dome is the safety valve, which we don't need to mess with at all, but I am going to show you. Pops around 50 psi, and this is the safety valve. Very important for steam engines. This right here is the pressure gauge. That tells you how much pressure is in the boiler. This is a battery pack to run the servos because this one is remote controlled. If we didn't have that, over here, this is the throttle, and then this is the gas input. So now we are going to grab our gas, which we have a butane propane mix. And then over here is our gas tank. We're going to push this down, fill, and then it shot some gas back at us, so that means it is full. Put that off to the side, and to make sure the gas is gone out of the air, we have to blow. This right here is the oiler. That you put this oil in. Right, I put it in before this video started. So now we are going to light the engine. First things first is we need to turn this on, and then turn this on, and then make sure everything moves. You can see this move over here. This is for forwards and reverse. It's a little servo down here. Now we are going to open the firebox door, get our match ready, turn the gas on, and then when you hear that sound, it means it is lit. Then you can close the firebox door just a little bit, and now we wait 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what the inside of the boiler looks when it is lit. After a couple minutes, you can start seeing steam coming out of the safety valve. That is completely normal, and some popping from the smokestack. And you will also see that this pressure gauge will start moving off of 0. Right now it looks like it's about 5 to 10 psi. Operating pressure is anywhere from 25 to 50. Alright, now we're at about 25 psi, and now we're gonna use this big knob to turn it up. And sometimes it gets stuck, so you're gonna do it down the other way. And then now we are moving. But now we're gonna stop it, go forwards. And you can do slow, fast, and medium. Right now you don't need much steam for running like this because you're not pulling anything, and it's not even pulling itself. So it's just floating there, doesn't need much steam. So running like this, 15 psi is fine. When you get up to 25 psi, you want to start a timer for 5 minutes, because after 5 minutes, you're going to want to take your bottle, put it in the Goodall valve, and pump 21 times. And if you hear any like whistling, if you have a chuffer in your chimney, that means you are running your engine too hot, so you're going to want to bring down the fuel a little bit. One last thing, when you're done running, you want to make sure you unscrew this so it doesn't suction cup itself to the engine. So even though it's still hot, you're going to take some towel or a glove. Don't unscrew it all the way because it will shoot off in the air. Unscrew it until you start seeing steam come off, just like that. Then when that steam stops, you can unscrew it more. So we're going to let it off gas so then we can unscrew it. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to unscrew it just a little bit more. There we go. Thank you for watching.